Alright, what's up YouTube? So today we're going to be installing some carbon fiber stuff that I got from one of my sponsors, Dyna Performance. Got the 350 right here. It's a little dirty right now, but they gave me that carbon right there, over there as well. So we're going to be installing this right here. It's carbon fiber. There's some cup holder carbon fiber things, and then coin tray right there. So these are the pieces right here for the cup holders with a little snake, e-brake, and then for the coin tray. Yeah. A little dirty. Fucking got the Z06 over here. Wet. Big chips. Big chop. New whip who this? Alright, so first things first. Oh, let's focus right here. So, we gotta clean this with alcohol. Make sure it'll stick. I'm gonna do that. And do the easy stuff first. So, a little bit of alcohol on there. I don't know if you can see it. Make sure it's all clean. So it's basically, I don't know if you can see this. Just an overlay. Same thing with these. Same thing with this one, clean it. So that's pretty much how it looks. Installed. Got that right there. Next thing we're gonna do is install this, which I'll do a little how-to. So basically, gotta pull this panel off, and then there's gonna be bolts right here on both sides that we're gonna take off. So we can basically pull this over. There's some bolts inside here, and then we're gonna just basically try to pull this up, take this off, and get the new one on there. So these are the tools we're using. What is this, like a 7mm?
You're struggling there first. Try to listen it first, and then...
I already got it. Come on, bruh. The next part, basically pry that up. Bam. A couple clips right there. And then should be able to pop that up. Whoa, don't break it, bro. Damn. Easy money. So we've got 2 bolts in the boot. I don't know if you can see it, there's one right there. And then there's one right there. You just basically take those off. And then I'm just gonna try to slide the boot up. There should be a zip tie right here that we have to cut on the inside. And then hopefully we can swap this out. So we basically pry all the clips right here, pull that back. I mean, don't really have to take this off. So got the bolts right there and right there. And then just gonna try to pry this up. There's this connection right here. Basically unplug it. Bam, got that out of the way. And then lift this up. And there's a zip tie right here, so we just cut that and should be easy money. Okay, so we got that off. Bam. So basically, let it focus. So basically we gotta pull this off. They say it's like glued, but there's this tab right here. And I guess that's for the e-brake right there. So we're gonna take it off right now. Stay tuned. Alright, so basically there's that tab. You just gotta lift it up, wiggle it a little bit, pull that off. And then here's the carbon one. It goes like that. Slide it on a little bit. Just to get the tab right there. Hold on. Alright, so that's on. Just gotta basically assemble everything, put the boot on, zip tie it right here, and then that's it. Put everything back together. So, got it on. Make sure you plug that back in right there. Different angle. And then basically put all the clips together. Put it together. Bolt it right there again. Bam, bam, on both sides. That's it. The old, new. New looks way better. Bam, got that. That. So, install wasn't even too hard because, I don't know, maybe like 30 minutes max, but came out nice. So, see you guys next time.